Cleaning your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL is just as easy as cooking in it. After cooking and removing your food, the air fry basket and crisper plate will be hot. Unplug and let the unit cool. Next, remove the basket with crisper plate from the Ninja Air Fryer, then run them under cold water. Be sure to remove the crisper plate. The air fry basket, crisper plate, and all other accessories are dishwasher safe. If you prefer to wash by hand, we recommend using soft sponges to prevent scratching during cleaning. The air fry basket and crisper plate are ceramic coated and PTFE, PFOA free, and non-stick for quick and easy cleaning. If food residue is stuck on the air fryer basket or crisper plate, place them in a sink with warm, soapy water and allow to soak. To clean the main unit and the control panel, simply wipe them down with a damp, non-abrasive cloth. That's it! Your Ninja Air Fryer is now clean and ready for use. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.